it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and we finally made it through the month. Today is the last day of September, and I am doing the last day of Scrap Timber, which is a scrap lift. I also want to mention that there will be another video today with all the giveaway winners for the month and a layout share to show you guys what all I created from my kits and a wrap up, so definitely come back and check that out. So for my scrap lift, I am going to do this. I do not know who created this. I found it on Pinterest and it doesn't have a name of who created it, but this is the scrap lift challenge over in my group. And well, there's a new one up as of yesterday, but this was one of the scrap lift challenges over there for the month, and it's a great way to use up little scraps. I ended up doing little 1 inch by 1 inch squares, and then I used some printables for my flowers. I cut out my title on my Cricut. It says Priceless Memories. I used my punch to create this lacy looking punch. Like I said, my printables, and then I have my squares. So I'm going to pretty much follow this super closely with everything. And then I have pictures of my grandma. I did already glue them on a piece of cardstock. But these are pictures of my grandma. She absolutely loved taking trips, going to the Smokies, just driving in general. She absolutely loved getting out, the outdoors. So, most of these I don't even know where they were took at. I think this one was probably took in the Smokies, and I'm not sure about this one. There's a lot of rocks in the background. I did cut these pictures down, but the background, it was just like big views, but it didn't really do anything. This was took in Dollywood. It's the only one that had writing, and I don't know if you can see it when I turn it in the light, but the ink pen made impressions, but it says July 25th of 04, and that was actually my grandma's birthday. Not 04, of course, but July 25th, and it says Dollywood, so I'm pretty sure this one was took on the train at Dollywood, and it was just a close picture. And then, of course, this one's in the winter. She always used to keep a houseboat, and so this is her standing, and there's another picture of just the houseboats, and she had circled on the picture and point at it to which one was her houseboat. So I just thought that was funny. But I absolutely love having these memories. All these are pictures I got whenever she passed away and we had to clean out her house. So, I am going to glue these down. Like I said, I'm just going to follow it pretty closely. I'm going to put this down first to kind of guide me on where I need to put my squares, so I can keep them somewhat the way they need to go. And I'm just going to try to make this mostly straight, because I think I only have one sheet of paper out of the kit, and it is one of the same patterns that I cut the squares from. So I'm not gonna do that. So I have 4 different patterns, and I'm just gonna go through and alternate them. I will probably speed this process up so y'all don't have to watch it, but I think it ended up being 8, 8, 8, and 8 squares. So I'm going to put those on, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so there's all of my squares glued down in that. And then I am going to just add my photos in here. So I think this is 6 by 6 overall, so it fits perfect inside of there. That's the only thing on the Scrap Lift Inspiration. She did leave more room in there, but I didn't have like a big photo that I could put in there. And I think she also had her squares smaller. So her squares may have been smaller than 1 inch. Because she has 8 on there, but it looks like she has more space around than I do. So, I don't know. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're just going to make it your own regardless. And I wanted to add a little bit of area at the top so that it would give me a place to be able to journal on here. So that's why I added the extra spot. But you could totally just use a 4 by 6 photo in the center, and then it would leave you a little extra space and you could decorate or whatever. So I am going to pop my title on foam. I miss my grandma so much. Her and my grandpa raised me. And I was in Walmart yesterday, and there was an old man walking in front of me, and he had chewing tobacco in his back pocket. And I asked him, I said, "Is that chewing tobacco in your back pocket?" And he said, "Yeah, it sure is." And he pulled it out, and I said, that brought back so many memories of my papa, because my papa, he chewed Red Man chewing tobacco, and I said, I have not saw chewing tobacco in a long time, like years. And I told him, I said, so thank you for that memory. Like, even though it was chewing tobacco, you know, it just sparked that memory in my mind of my papa, and I really do miss him and my grandma. But my papa died when I was 16, and my grandma died 11 years ago, so it does not seem like that long for either one. But I'm glad that I have memories of my grandparents. Okay, I think I'm gonna put that like that. And let's see here. I am just keeping the decoration super minimal on this because it definitely has all the decoration it needs with all the patterns and all that stuff. So actually, I don't think I'm going to pop this on foam. I think I'm just going to glue it. And then these ones, let's see. Glue them down. Maybe I'll pop this one up. I'm going to put this on this. I need to buy some more wide foam tape because I run out of foam tape really quick. I said I'm going to have to start investing in those gigantic rolls, you know, that's as big as your head. And I was like, maybe I wouldn't run out, but it wouldn't be easy to manage. But I feel like I go through foam tape so quickly that it would actually probably be a worthwhile investment. And I'm just going to put this like this. And then that gives me my room to journal. Of course, I'll post a picture at the end. I hope that you go and check out the playlist for everyone else that has played along with Scrap Timber and How to Kill a Kit with Style. It is a new month tomorrow, so there will be new kits, and 30 Days of Sketches starts with Christy's Beautiful Life. I also have a sketch in that this month on the 29th, which I requested because it's my birthday. So, I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspires you to use up those little scraps and to create. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to come back and hang out with me. And until next time, bye y'all.